Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and I would like to introduce you to Promptverse.io, my prompt engineering and management app. So this is the landing page. Today I would like to go to templates and create a new template. This is actually a very new feature that I just implemented this week, so let's hope that it actually works. What we will do is we will import a few files and create an advanced prompt. The prompts here in my app are structured very differently. You can go from simple to standard, chatbot, structured, modularized and advanced prompt structures, and I will explain them in other videos in the future. But for today let's go with this advanced structure type, so we can add some blocks. The first block I would like to add is actually we just do import. I start here without a prepared template, so you can see how easy it is to create your own template. We go, no, that doesn't work. We go paste content here, and then here I have prepared a couple of files already. So we will need a prompt, we will need context, we will need instructions and examples, and the rest is for another time. The pre-prompt that I use to split prompts into or tasks into several steps is also very good. What we will do today is to create a template that we can use in bolt.new to create an application that then will be deployed on Netlify and use it with Upstash, and if it works fine then it should work immediately. This is a file that I added or that I created, which has already a some architecture for the apps that we need, so that it should work immediately. So we take this and then we just paste it in here. We select the advanced type, and then we create a new block with that, and then you will see here that it has imported this markdown file as a complete block, and you can then go ahead and then in the future change module by module or section by section. You don't need to redo the entire thing. We will call this, what will we call it? Just web application architecture, and then we will just save this template. Oh yeah, we need a name for that. Web app template, new web app template number 1, and then category type is just a web app, or it's just like, let's take vibe coding, that is fine, public. And then it should be able to save it. Very nice. Yeah, so now we have the architecture in here in that block, and then I would like to add some example prompts that I used with bolt.new. So for example, this is a prompt that I used for creating AI friends. We will just use this as an example prompt, and that goes into advanced, into its own block again, or yeah, and then we will call it examples, and we should have it then here. Well, this is not nice. This is actually it is nice, but it's not what I wanted, because it looks like it has overwritten the other block that we just had already. So here's the web architecture. We'll just create a new block here. We'll call it examples, and then we save it. And then let's add our examples in here. So we have this here, this AI friend example. Let's see if it works now. I think we chose the wrong one now. Let's do it again. Sorry. Paste content. Here's the content, advanced, and then it should use, no, it doesn't want it. advanced. It should use the new block. Probably we need to update it. Refresh the page. Yeah, you see everything is still fresh. So we're facing some minor errors here, but I promise you it will work out. And let's try it again. The block is there. Paste the content. Select not tonalized, advanced, and then there we go. Examples. And then here we have our example now. Perfect. And then we'll just grab another example, maybe this one here, micro volunteer app. And then do the same, add it also to the same block of examples, and 2 examples should be enough for today. You see them here, and this is our architecture. So what we have now is a complete coding architecture to tell the AI, or to tell Bolt how to structure, like the basic structure of the app, and authorization I think is included. Versions should be included with a package JSON, and then here are some examples of what it should give us. And then we just update it, save it. We go to templates, and then here's our new web app template, and then we click on AI generate. So here we have a lot of options, but we use the advanced because this is where we placed our information. And then for output we would like to have a structured prompt. So this is a little bit an easier format, and we go with medium here, English, and then we call it so what do the, like, let's say a task management app. Yeah, that's not working. Task management app, a fun task management app. Yeah, then we just paste it in here. Okay, and here you see you have the options of the AI model. That's basic. The basic one is good for daily prompts. The Pro is very professional, and then Max is using the best AI model that is available. That's on the Max plan. You see, I'm not even on my own system on the Max plan. Yeah, help me to be able to afford that. You have here a form mode where when we click on it, you just see a little bit more information, the credit information, how it's calculating the credits, and it's just maybe a little bit easier or not easier, maybe a little bit more comfortable to use this one. I prefer this one. It's just very clean. Here you see the same calculation for the credits. That's why it's using 45 credits. And then we just click on generate, and that takes usually like between 10 and 30 seconds to then generate the prompt. And again, we will get here a structured prompt. So if it works well, then we should be able to save it and reuse it a lot of times. So why do we need templates, or why do we need this? First of all, you can easily change the templates. You can go back and use it all the times again for different apps. Oh, you see already it's done. So you see here we have a structured prompt, and I see that it's like it has several sections. I don't look at it. It didn't include the coding pattern yet because I did not instruct it, or I did not select the advanced type. But let's just use it for today. Here you can export the prompt. You have different formats which you want it like to use with the AI system. Markdown is the easiest. XML is very professional or very fast for most of the AI systems. I will go into that topic another time. AI systems prefer XML formats, so we don't need the descriptions and we don't need these markdown definitions. And then we just copy it, we go to bolt.new, and then we just use this prompt. It's sometimes good to use this like while Bolt is generating it. You see that it created a nice short prompt for Bolt. It's a very short one. I will definitely do a video about a more comprehensive one that includes more details about the coding pattern, about authorization and everything. But this is good for the first video. And if we go here, what I usually add is this prompt. Let me make it a little bit bigger. this pre-prompt you have in PromptVerse, you have the option to use wrappers, so you can wrap the entire prompt with this, and this just instructs Bolt to split the entire prompt into 6 subsequent implementation steps, and then you just have to actually enter after the initial prompt, just continue with the next step. This worked very well for me. We go back to Bolt. This basically creates the app, and it's busy with that, and then after the app is created, we can just deploy it on Netlify. So now we can deploy it to Netlify. Preview didn't work yet, but it didn't show any errors. Let's see what Netlify does with it. Netlify is a very good hosting service. I use it lately quite a lot since the hackathon started from bolt.new, and I'm excited to see if it works. Yeah, here we go. So this is actually better than I expected for that kind of prompt, and it looks quite okay. It's not connected with the database yet. That would be another step, but it does save the data. I guess it saves it in local storage. Absolutely, absolutely nice for like the 5 minutes that it took us to create it. And then, yeah, this is it for this video. I will fix the PromptVerse app a little bit so that it will include the whole coding architecture. Maybe it was just because we didn't choose the advanced prompt type for the generation. But as you can see, it is deployed. It works fully online. You can just go to Netlify now and add a domain, and then or just change this name here in a shorter domain with .netlify.app, and then use it. If it would have dark mode, I would have been excited, but it has more options than I actually thought. So yeah, I will be excited. You can see it's already dark here. I will be excited to jump into a lot more videos tomorrow. We'll do 5 or 6 videos just about creating prompts with PromptVerse, running it in bolt.new to create the applications, and then deploying them directly from bolt.new into Netlify. And I mean, it's a functioning app. If you're a web developer, then you can get your MVP created in basically 15 minutes for a multi-$1,000 job, and then just get the job. Like you can impress your clients with that, or your family, or just do a presentation for your party, for your like whatever party you have in the weekend.